friends, welcome back to another session. I'm going to show you all-inclusive tomato pachadi, tomato pickle or chutney, not pickle, chutney. So here what I've done is I've switched on the gas and I've put some oil in it, and I'm going to show the next step. So the oil is pretty hot. I'm going to add chana dal, small spoon of urad dal, fenugreek seeds, a little bit, rye. So this is all inclusive, like everything goes together. Jeera, hing. So easy to make that you'll be like, no need to take it out, do things like that, just all together. So, and we let it saute for a minute here. Almost done. So I am just going to take 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds, and that's it. And keep the gas, your stove, to low. Alright, so here we go. Goes the green chilies. We just need to cut and put, because it splutters if you just put them like that. Be careful with your face and everything. So see, there you go. Oops, it's already falling, coming on. And 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, a small chunk of adrak, lot of cilantro. There we go. Lot of cilantro. And I'm going to cut I want to show oops, wow, it's too hot, the tomatoes. So you don't need to cut them small. See how big chunks I'm cutting? Just cut them big chunks. Alright, that's it. I'm just going to take 2 big tomatoes. If you want same thing, you can make with a lot of tomatoes. Put it too low. There we go. Give it a minute, and I'm going to add the rest. There we go. Almost getting there. Salt according to your taste. Don't add more, because later on you can always add salt according to your taste. Alright, so here we go. Turmeric. Those are the 2 spices, guys, salt and turmeric. Nothing more than that. Alright. And we will let it boil or saute up to a point where your tomatoes are completely mushy and there is no water in it. So for me, I'm going to just leave it like this for another maybe 5 to 6 minutes and cover it up and let it boil. And we'll come back and show you the results. Alright, if you see, it's almost coming close by, which you see the liquid is getting pretty much evaporated. At this point I'm going to add the tamarind paste for the sourness. Okay, everything, all the spices is cooked totally up to you. Completely all the spices, you know, including salt, green chilies, the garlic, ginger, everything, you know, how you like it, you can make it. So I'm gonna give it another probably another 5 minutes, and it will come pretty close consistency, and then we will do the grinding. For me, the consistency, liquid and everything is good, so I'm gonna switch off the gas and keep it for cooling, and then we will mix it. If you want much closer and thicker, you can let all the water get completely evaporated and come close, but for me, I think that's done, so I'm gonna close the gas and keep it for cooling. All right, and I'll show you how I'm gonna grind. The tomato pachadi is all cool now, so I'm going to put in my little pestle here and do it. So this one I bought it close to in a store close by. There we go. So it's all done, and now you see this, so I'm gonna do it like that. This is perfect size for a family of 4 to make a little bit of pachadi and do it. I can't do the professional way like our grandmother and, you know, my mom used to do it and all those people, but something to do for, you know, amazing. You will find the, you know, the taste is the taste actually honestly tastes very different if you do it in this, and it really comes out very tasty. So this is something that I found here. You know, in India we have those big ones and you can't carry them here in your luggage and all that, so luckily I found this little one here, and I'm done. See how easy was that? And it's gonna taste like crazy. Oh, see how good. See, enough. 2 tomatoes enough for 2 days, 3 days, for dosa, idli, hot rice. You name it, and you can eat it with. So just like that. There we go. Come close and see, guys, how amazing this is. Like, see how great the pachadi looks, and believe me, it's going to taste amazing too. All right, all done. So now I'm gonna just take it out and dish it out. There you go, guys. So here we go. See how you can go if you want to do a little bit more paste. I don't like much paste. Of course, when you're doing in the mixie, you really don't have a choice. So it goes very, it's between, you know, coarse to fine paste. But this is amazing. Here we go. Completely village style, guys. And here we go. That's the tadka. All done. Add the tadka. So what I added in the tadka is urad dal, chana dal, jeera, rai, curry leaves and garlic pods. That's it, guys. All done. Tomato pachadi. I hope you like it. You will make it at home and you will subscribe to my channel as I make dishes that I've eaten in my life with my family, my mom and everything, and so all done.